Institution by Amit. Amit is here, no? Amit is here. And another by himself, Ajay. So keep 10 minutes for 2 presentations back to back. Then we can have discussions for both.
Starting up a microfinance company unless you have that ability that you're giving to the people. Large tracts of land, when we travel across, we realize that there's not much farming going on, and that's primarily because either farmers are waiting for the land valuation to go up because the next highway that's coming up, or because there is a lack of water. Right? So that is the second big thing. Thirdly, labor arbitrage. Now, I know a lot of people are talking about rural BPOs. In my mind, labor arbitrage works only to a certain extent. So from US to India, India to rural India, US to India is about 300% drop. From India to rural India, it would not be that big. So, but however, that opportunity is still there. So that's the last thing. And finally, realize that within Gurgaon, within Delhi, if you look at a 5-people household, the average income or expense of a household would be about 30 to 40,000 for 5 people, regular standard living. If you go to rural India, about 60 kilometers out, the average expense of living is only about 3,500 to 4,000. And I'm talking about doing good villages, right? Because kerosene is 5.5 rupees a liter. Air, water is free. The land is their own. Crop is their own. Taxes are not heard of. Electricity is not paid for, and pretty much makes sense. So then we can keep harping on the microfinance or the life insurance penetration, and that being still under 5%, will not. But you can take a horse to the well, but you can't make him drink water, right? So the model that once we start off the rural BPOs, we can actually kickstart the community farming, and everything else sort of goes on top of that. And the innovative model for us is the Harva Employee Loan Program, which pretty much makes it an asset-based financing, right? So most of these people are then linked back to the community, and they're actually working with the company. So if they get a loan or they facilitate a loan, this would only make sense.